Hey you guys, I hope all is well with you all. I am doing well on this side. Woo! Sunday, the weekend is gone, y'all. How y'all did? I did pretty well. It was a little struggle, a little bit yesterday, a little bit later on that night. But I just need to get more juice. So when I feel like that, I get more juice. I haven't put up a juice video because I have 2 juices left. Plus, I did juices off camera because our daughter was here. So, it was family time and stuff like that. So, y'all know how it is. So we hung out and stuff like that. So I'm glad I pre-did things. And I also did me and my husband did big juices this morning. So that's what I'm running on. I have a juice of, I haven't drunk the cantaloupe juice yet, so I'm going to have that. And I have a vegetable juice, so I'm probably going to do the cantaloupe now. And then I'll do the vegetable juice for dinner. It's really dinner time now, but I'm going to get that in, so I'll make sure I get all my liquids in so I don't have no problems going to the bathroom, okay? Which I've had a lot of juice today. I didn't have any coconut water today. I don't think. No, I didn't have any coconut water today. But so you guys, I hope you all are doing well. I apologize for the short video, but I wanted to just check in with you guys and let you guys know what's going on with me and what I'm having for dinner. And this is day 7. Wow. Day 7. This is day 7. Wow. Wow, day 7, you guys. I keep saying, what have I gotten myself in? But I'm pushing through. Raw foods is much easier for me to do than the juices. So anyway, thank you guys for stopping by. Let me know what you have in your juice today. I'm having the same juice that I posted last night. That was last night. So I have those juices left. So yeah, because I already had juices to drink already. And, I thought I had to sneeze. I thought I had to sneeze. I'm okay. Y'all saw me doing that. I was about to sneeze. Anyway, my ears are still stopped up, you guys. So, but I've been getting stuff out. So that's a good thing. Wow, it's just amazing. And it's just like in here, I can feel in my ear. It's kind of like I can feel it moving though. It's moving down. I can feel it moving. It's coming out. So yeah, that's a good thing. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Yeah. Anyway, I just thought about I had to go back to Whole Foods. I went to Whole Foods because it was the closest to get some more greens. So you guys, whoa. I think next week, my 3rd week, or maybe next week, I might add juice smoothies because it is expensive, and it's my husband and myself is the ones drinking these juices. So yeah, and our little one, she has her little apple and kale juice. I don't think. Yeah, I don't think I have to juice. I better juice something tonight. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I have pineapple. I'm gonna juice pineapple. I like to have something ready though. I don't have no extra orange juice that's already the fresh, nothing but orange juice. So I'm gonna have to do some type of juicing. So I have something for tomorrow. Anyway, Thousand Rose, I already said that already. One love. Love you guys. Y'all be safe, and I hope you guys are all doing well. Let me know what's going on, how you feel, and all of that.